client's house for carpet cleaning, but he seen this vacuum was full of dirt. So you know he can't leave it like that, right?
Nope, I can't.
This is his pet peeve. You gotta make sure our clients are able to vacuum properly once the carpet dries up.
Hey, Jay, the water.
Hey, Mommy,
Hey, Jay.
look at it. Got it?
Oh, my bad. You trying to get an angle? You probably can come around this side. There we go. Why the door open?
So she was still at the door. I don't know, you have it on some type of cinematic.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
this
that.
is good.
Take it off. Take it off. My side. Hey, Jay. Listen, no, don't try this at home.
You have for your tools?
I got it. Cut the pressure down. It's coming off right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it back in there. Put it back in that little groove.
Yeah.
Alright, one more part.
That's pretty clean.
I'll wipe this down. It's hot, it's hot. You can cut that off.
Just trying to ring it. He turned it down.
I'm not gonna wet this part. I'm gonna just wipe it out. I think this is gonna be there.
We can do the dirty work, just do your thing. It's a great day, got my feng shui poppin'. Yeah, it's poppin'. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home spotless. Let us do the dirty work, go do your thing. Do your thing. Going up and down the carpet with a steam. Hit the carpet. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. It's a great day, got my feng shui poppin'. Yeah, it's poppin'. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home spotless. Let us do the dirty work, go do your thing. Do your thing. Going up and down the carpet with a steam. Hit the carpet. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. You can count on us to kill dust and bacteria. Clean hardwood floors, all interiors. Pulling grease out materials. Pit down the tracker. Hit it with the vacuum. Got the floors looking clean and pristine. No more mildew up in this thing. Environmental, my solution so green. We can do the dirty work, just do your thing. It's a great day, got my feng shui poppin'. Yeah, it's poppin'. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home spotless. Let us do the dirty work, go do your thing. Do your thing. Going up
AJ, you can do me a favor? Come and strap this hose right here for me.
Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. It's a great day, got my feng shui poppin'. Yeah, it's poppin'. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home spotless. Let us do the dirty work, go do your thing. Do your thing. Going up and down the carpet with a steam. Hit the carpet. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning.
Don't come out that way, go this way. Take it off. Come on. Take it off from right there. Still in there? Huh? Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. It's a great day, got my feng shui poppin'. Yeah, it's poppin'. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home spotless. Let us do the dirty work, go do your thing. Do your thing. Going up and down the carpet with a steam. Hit the carpet. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home shining. You can count on us to kill dust and bacteria. Clean hardwood floors, all interiors.
There you have it.
Pulling grease out materials. Pit down the track. Hit it with the vacuum. Got the floors looking clean and pristine. No more mildew up in this thing. Environmental, my solution so green. We can do the dirty work, just do your thing. It's a great day, got my feng shui poppin'.
I think I'm gonna start.
Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home spotless. Let us do the dirty work,
From
do
my
your
existing
thing.
client,
Going up and
take
down
them
the
to the
carpet
shop,
with a steam.
take them apart,
Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet
I
Cleaning
think that's
ATL,
gonna
got
come.
my
I
home
don't think
shining. Carpet Cleaning ATL, carpet cleaning. Carpet Cleaning
Everything
ATL,
needs
got my home
maintenance, right?
shining. It's a great day, got my feng shui poppin'. Yeah, it's poppin'. Carpet Cleaning ATL, got my home spotless. Let us do the dirty work, go do your thing. Going up and down the carpet with a steam. Carpet Cleaning